We all know the story, or do we? The tale of the Wright brothers is not just a story of two men. It's a story of perseverance, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that seemed impossible. Two brothers from Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, started their journey in a small bicycle shop. They were not just messing around with bicycles and wood. They were experimenting, learning, and pushing the boundaries of what was known. Their curiosity and mechanical skills were the foundation of their future success. They dared to dream of flight. But dreaming was just the beginning. They meticulously studied the works of previous aviation pioneers, conducted countless experiments, and faced numerous failures, yet they never gave up. Their dream was not just to fly, but to understand the principles of flight. And on a blustery December day in 1903, they changed the world forever. In the dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, their years of hard work culminated in a moment that would go down in history. The Wright brothers had built a machine that could sustain controlled flight. Orville Wright took to the air. It was a moment of triumph, not just for the Wright brothers, but for humanity. The dream of flight was no longer a dream, it was a reality. His flight lasted just 12 seconds, a mere 120 feet. But those 12 seconds were monumental. They proved that powered, controlled flight was possible. It was a small step in distance, but a giant leap in human achievement. But it was a giant leap for mankind. The news of their success spread quickly, capturing the imagination of people around the world. The Wright brothers had opened the door to a new era. The Wright Flyer was a flimsy thing, wood, wire, and fabric. But it flew. It was a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. News spread like wildfire. People were amazed. The Wright brothers had done what many thought was impossible. The dream of flight was now a reality. The Wright brothers' success inspired a generation of aviators and engineers. It sparked a wave of innovation and exploration that would change the world. The world would never be the same. The age of aviation had begun. Air travel would shrink the world, bringing people closer together and opening up new possibilities for commerce, exploration, and connection. The age of aviation had begun. From those first 12 seconds in the air, the journey of flight has continued to evolve, leading to the advanced aircraft we see today. The Wright brothers' dream has soared to heights they could have only imagined. Sadly, war often drives progress. Throughout history, conflict has been a catalyst for technological advancements, and aviation is no exception. The skies, once a peaceful domain, became a battleground where innovation was pushed to its limits. And so it was with aviation. From the early days of flight, where daring pioneers like the Wright brothers took to the skies in fragile biplanes, the need for superior aircraft became evident. The race to dominate the air began. World War I saw planes used in combat for the first time. These early aircraft were rudimentary, but they marked the beginning of a new era in warfare. Pilots engaged in dogfights, and reconnaissance missions became crucial for gathering intelligence. The flimsy machines of the Wright brothers' era quickly evolved. What started as simple wood and fabric constructions soon transformed into more robust and reliable aircraft. Engineers and designers worked tirelessly to improve speed, maneuverability, and firepower. They became faster, stronger, more deadly. The interwar period saw significant advancements in aerodynamics, engine technology, and weaponry. By the time World War II erupted, aviation had undergone a dramatic transformation. World War II saw another leap forward. The conflict spurred rapid development in aircraft design and technology. Bombers, fighters, and transport planes played pivotal roles in the war effort, changing the course of battles and entire campaigns. Jet engines roared onto the scene. The introduction of jet propulsion marked a revolutionary shift in aviation. These powerful engines allowed planes to fly faster and higher than ever before, breaking the sound barrier and setting new records. The Messerschmitt Me 262, the first operational jet fighter. This German aircraft was a marvel of engineering, capable of outpacing any Allied plane. It represented the cutting edge of aviation technology during the war. It was a game changer. The Me 262's performance demonstrated the potential of jet-powered flight, influencing post-war aircraft development and setting the stage for the jet age. Fast, powerful, a glimpse into the future of flight. The innovations of the wartime period laid the groundwork for the modern aviation industry. The lessons learned and technologies developed during these years continue to shape the aircraft we see today. The war ended, But the jet age had begun. The post-war era saw rapid advancements in commercial and military aviation. Jets became the standard, and the dream of supersonic travel became a reality. The legacy of wartime innovation lives on in every flight we take. After the war, things changed. People wanted to travel, see the world, and they wanted to do it quickly. The jet engine made that possible. Commercial jet travel took off, literally. The de Havilland Comet, the first commercial jet airliner. It was revolutionary. The world shrunk. Journeys that once took weeks now took hours. People flew across continents for business meetings. Families jetted off on holidays. The world was becoming interconnected. The Boeing 747, a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity, the queen of the skies. This iconic aircraft revolutionized the aviation industry, a jumbo jet that could carry hundreds of passengers. It offered unprecedented comfort and space, making long-haul flights more bearable. It was a game-changer for air travel. The 747's introduction meant airlines could transport more people at a lower cost. Mass transit took to the skies. Airports around the world expanded to accommodate the influx of travelers. Air travel became affordable for the masses. What was once a luxury for the elite became accessible to everyday people, no longer just for the rich and famous. Families, students, and business travelers alike could now explore the world. The world became more accessible. Cities that were once distant dreams became reachable destinations. People emigrated to new countries. Cultures mixed and mingled. The 747 played a crucial role in global migration. The world became a smaller, more connected place. Business, tourism, and personal relationships flourished, all thanks to the magic of flight. Pilots, engineers, and flight attendants worked together to make air travel safe and efficient. The journey of the Boeing 747 began in the 1960s. It was a bold vision that required innovation and determination. Engineers and designers pushed the boundaries of what was possible. They created an aircraft that would stand the test of time. Decades later, the 747 remains a beloved aircraft. Its legacy continues to inspire the next generation of aviation enthusiasts. As we look to the future, we remember the impact of the Boeing 747. It changed the way we travel and brought the world closer together. The Queen of the Skies will always hold a special place in our hearts, a testament to human achievement and the power of flight. Breaking the sound barrier, traveling faster than the speed of sound. It seemed impossible until it wasn't. Concorde, a supersonic passenger jet, a marvel of engineering. It could cross the Atlantic in under 3.5 hours. Sadly, Concorde was retired in 2003. Too expensive to operate. A dream unrealized? Maybe not. The dream of supersonic travel lives on. New technologies are emerging. Quiet supersonic flight is on the horizon. Buckle up. Remember when flying was a luxury? Not anymore. Budget airlines changed everything. No frills, low fares, making air travel accessible to everyone. The world opened up to budget travelers, students backpacking across continents, families taking their first trip abroad. The world became more accessible, more connected, all thanks to the low-cost carriers. Computers are everywhere, even in the cockpit. Fly-by-wire systems, autopilots, making flying safer and more efficient. Pilots still play a vital role, but computers are taking on more and more tasks. What does the future hold? Single-pilot cockpits, autonomous planes, it's only a matter of time. The future of flying is automated. We all know about climate change. Aviation has an impact, but the industry is changing. New technologies are emerging. Sustainable aviation fuels, electric planes, hybrid designs. The goal? To reduce aviation's carbon footprint, to make flying more sustainable. It's a challenge, but the industry is rising to it. The future of aviation is green. Remember Concorde? That was just the beginning. Hypersonic travel, traveling at 5 times the speed of sound. Imagine flying from London to Sydney in just a few hours. That's the promise of hypersonic. And beyond? Space tourism, space planes, taking us to the edge of space and back. The possibilities are endless. The future of aviation is out of this world. Why stop at the edge of the atmosphere? Space is the final frontier. Space tourism is already a reality. For now, it's just for the super rich, but that will change. Space planes and reusable rockets, making space travel more affordable. Imagine a future where we commute to space stations, mine asteroids, colonize other planets. The possibilities are endless. Aviation will take us there. From those first tentative flights at Kitty Hawk, to the jet age, to the dream of hypersonic travel and beyond, aviation has come a long way. It has shrunk our world, connected people and cultures, and it continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. So next time you see a plane in the sky, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of flight and the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity